Welcome to our channel Gravity Coaching Center. Quantitative Aptitude Chapter Problems on Trains. Question: Two trains are moving in opposite direction at the rate 60 km per hour and 90 km per hour, and their lengths are 1.10 km and 0.9 km respectively. The time taken by the slower train to cross the faster train in second. So in this questions, here is a true train and its speeds are given 60 and 90 km per hour, and its length is also given. So how much time to take to cross each other? So in this questions, first suppose let the L1 be the length of the first train is 1.10 kilometers, and now it's changed into meters. So 1.10 into 1000 meter. Cancel the point. So 100 20 cancel. So 1100 meter, and let the length of the second train equal to 0.9 kilometer, and now it's changed into meters. So 0.9 into 1000 point cancel. So 10 0 cancel equal to 900 meter. Now we use the formula time taken to cross each other. Time taken to cross each other equal to L1 plus L2 upon S1 plus S2 into 18 upon 5 second, equal to length of the first train is 1100 plus second train is 900, and the speed of the first train is 60 km per hour, and the speed of the second train is the 90 km per hour into 18 upon 5 equal to 2000 upon 150 into 18 upon 5. 0 cancel. 5 3 is 15 and 5 4 is 20. Table of 3, 18 is cancelled. 6 3 is 18 and 5 8 5 is 40. So 8 6 is 40 48 second. So option C is the right answer.